So hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be finishing up from the last video of installing the Java JDK. And by doing so we're going to be setting the Java environment variables. To get started, we'll just hold Control and hit R, and that'll bring up our run window. We'll type cmd and hit enter. This will bring up our command line prompt. Now, in order to check our Java version, we'll type Java and a space dash version. We'll hit enter. And we'll see here that we have our Java 1.8 installed right now, which is not the Java 11 we installed. So we'll type Java C space dash version. We'll hit enter. And this will show us that the Java compiler isn't even installed at all. So let's go ahead and get this installed now or set up properly. So to do this, you're going to have to get into the advanced system properties. And by doing so, we'll go to the control panel. We'll just type in our search control panel. And this will open up the control panel. And if you get this window here and you're not sure what to do, just click the category drop down menu. And we'll click large or small, either way, it doesn't matter. And we'll go down to system. Click here, and in system you'll see advanced system settings. We'll click on this. Now this brings up our system properties. On the bottom here you can see environment variables. This is what we're going to be working in today. So we'll just move this window to the side here, and we'll just open up the environment variables. Now in order to do this, we're going to have to go and navigate ourselves to the installation directory where our Java JDK was installed. Just let me reorganize this window so we can see everything. Alright, so a little tweak. Now we installed it to the C drive, and if you've installed it somewhere else then you have to go there, but we'll go to the C drive, program files, and we'll find the Java folder. Inside the Java folder you see JDK 11. We'll click here. And inside the bin folder is where we're going to need to go. And basically what we're looking for is where the Java JRE or Java runtime environment is available to us, and the Java C or the Java compiler applications are available. You see them both right here. So we'll just copy this path up at the top. And we'll come down into our environment variables here. We'll click the path, and we're going to just edit this path, this system variable path. And if you have any Oracle other stuff up there, just delete them so that it doesn't conflict with our new one. And we'll just create a new path, and we'll paste in our Java path that we got from our directory where it was installed, and we'll just hit OK. We can close all these windows down now. Hit OK. We'll close this window and get this down too. Okay, so we'll hold Control and push R again, bring up the run window. We'll type cmd and hit enter, bring up our command line prompt again. And now if we type in Java space dash version, you're going to see that our Java 11 has now been installed. And likewise, if we hit our Java C dash version and hit enter, you're going to also see the Java 11 compiler has been set up properly. So that's it for this video. Everything's all set up. Just like to thank you for watching the video. If you like what you've seen, just give the video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then feel free to subscribe and check out the rest of the channel. If you have any questions or comments about this video or have any ideas for future videos, then just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you once again for viewing, and we'll catch you in the next video.